So what's up YouTube? First time kong gumising ng ganito kaaga para mag-jogging. At kasama ko ngayon ang aking kaibigan, si Sel. So tingnan natin kung kakayanin namin. Okay? So sino ka ba? Tell me something about yourself.
I'm Sel, third year BS Math. Hobbies, I like doing crafts and art stuff. I paint. I also tried crochet. Yeah, I used to dream of being in the medical field, but right now I think I want to be on the academy instead. How about you?
Ako, BS MBB, third year din. Recently got into a lab and hoping to also get a scholarship abroad. Despite my course and my educational background, my actual dream is to become a rapper. Don't be surprised. Yan. And that's it. Ilang laps yun? Mga 20? Pagod na ako. Anong date ngayon?
June 29 na.
Malapit na yung malapit na yung inauguration.
Oo nga eh. Naniniwala ka bang change is really coming?
Hindi ko alam eh. Gusto mo tanong? Okay, salamat!
I think so. Kasi lahat naman tayo capable of, changing our own mindset in perspective natin. So, it depends talaga sa tao mismo. So, yun. Pag yung tao mag-change, definitely changes will come.
Thank you.
Thank
Sa
you.
tingin niyo po, change is really coming?
Oo. Kasi, yun sa bagay natin ngayon. So, yun. May mga pangako sa abangan na lang natin kung ano yung mga nangyayari.
Thank you.
Where do you think change is really coming?
Alam mo. Kasi hindi pa naman nakaupo si Duterte.
Sige.
Nakaupo na nila siguro.
Salamat. Do you think change is really coming? Parating na ba ang pagbabago? Thank you.
Thank you po.
So, do you think change is really coming?
Oh, I guess so. Bagong presidente, bro. So, Saka new policies and all that.
Okay, thank you. So, is change really coming? Parating ba talaga ang pagbabago?
Magbabago?
Live vlog mo.
Paano ganun? Parang parang lang. Pero alam ko hindi magbabago.
Mahirap na.
Oo, kasi naandun na yun. Nasimulan na natin yun. Pero kung magbabago, subukan kung si Duterte. Kung paano siya. Alam ko, siguro mga 6 months lang. Wala na. Di ba?
Salamat
Yeah,
po.
thank you.
You think change is really coming?